This is a tutorial in how to use FormLimiter, an add-on in the Google Marketplace. The first thing to do is open up your form that you're going to be using for this add-on. Then roll over the three dots and click on Add-ons. You'll have to do this one time, so next time you create a form or use a form, you can always use this add-on that's already going to be added. So go ahead and search for FormLimiter in the apps here. It's called FormLimiter. And there it is. If you click on that square, and you should see an install button. And continue. And you'll have to give access to it through your PGCPS account. And just say allow. As it churns along a little bit as it's adding it in there. And click done. Okay, so you can close that out, and now you'll see on the right side over here, you'll see a pop-up window has appeared for FormLimiter. And you can select different kinds of form limits. So you can select it by the date and time that you want to end this, or you can select by number of form responses, which is, I think, the ones that most people want to use. So we click on that. So when responses are greater than, so stop accepting form responses when responses are greater than. So if you only want 14, make sure you put 14 there. You can always adjust this message. It has my email on there, but it could be changed. And it says email form owner when submissions are closed. And you can save and enable that. And you can close it out if you want to. And that's it. So whenever it reaches 14, it will prompt with an email to you, and then it will close the form. And that's all there is to it. If you want to double check the FormLimiter for any of the forms that you have, you can always click on the little puzzle piece right here called add-ons and click on that and go to FormLimiter. It opens up your little dialog box, set limit. And there you go, that set limit will be enabled again, or you can disable it.